Welcome back to Green Tea Garden. Today I'm behind of the greenhouse and we have some longhorn pepper, also known as the cowhorn pepper. Longhorn peppers are definitely a mild, I would say between spicy, a mild spicy. If you've never had spicy pepper, they're spicy to you. But if you haven't been eating a lot of cayenne pepper and stuff like that, they're mild, spicy, a good flavor. It's crunchy, it's amazing. And if you leave them, when you harvest, you leave them on the countertop, they could last for a long time without going bad. Beautiful. See that? We got a bunch here. When these peppers have the curl at the tip, it's a good indication they're ready. But you don't have to wait for the curl. Like this one right here, look, it's still straight. It means it could grow longer, but if you're ready to eat it, you could go ahead and harvest. If you have a lot going on and you want to harvest and you want your plant to produce more, I will suggest to you guys go ahead and harvest right away. You could get a pruner or you could pinch off the tip. Look at that. So you could make crushed peppers or you could make pepper sauce, or I mean just eat it just like that. They're flavorful. Put them in your fridge, they will stay for a long time, and you could always give friends and family, but just make sure to let people know it is spicy. All right, it definitely got a spicy kick to it. This is the biggest one I got. Look at that. Now I'm coming over here and you can see these two plants are loaded with peppers. Beautiful peppers. Okay. We're gonna add this here. That's from the other plants then we're gonna add here. So we're gonna get a full plate. And I do have green bell peppers too coming up there. So I'm just gonna continue harvest all of them out. I'm always grateful and always blessed to get, any harvest from the garden. It's beautiful. All right, so this is it right here. Beautiful, look at that. And then I had another hot pepper plant. I picked this one, I smelled it. Oh my God, I can smell the fume. Not even sure what type is that. I did plant like a bunch of random mixed pepper plant, but you can see how beautiful these are. So these are very tasty, crunchy, spicy, and delicious peppers. And by we harvest all this from our plants. Now I left some of the small ones here, you can see really small. So within another couple days this will just grow, and you can see I prune everything out from the bottom of the plant, and all the energy is up here. So focus, so that's where we're getting a good production. So thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. We got a beautiful harvest today, and most pepper plants right now that I have, the sun was really hot for the past couple months. The plant was not producing as much because of the high heat, and now the temperature is cooler. And the only thing we have to do is, keep up with your fertilizer you could do that once every 2 weeks. A little bit of fertilizer is good. And just the water, right now I'm watering between about every 3 to 4 days. I'm not watering every day right now because the sun is not that hot, and I do not want to overwater the pepper plant. You do not want to overwater your pepper plant. If you have peppers like bell peppers and it taking a long time to turn ripe, once your pepper reach the full size and then you start seeing again like a dark purplish color, that's when it start changing. What to do: make sure you prune, and make sure you don't overwater. Less water and pruning will help speed up the process to turn it right. All right, so thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. If you're new, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It's 100% free, and I got more videos coming up on Green Tea Garden.